Hello everyone, I'm here for try to show you how is fitted Llera Sport Ball. You see like this, and now it's fitted in X at the back. See, there are two, it's coming like this. It's pretty simple, but we have to do the right things. Okay, one side, now in X. Second, now coming like this, see, second, now coming like this, yeah, now this is the way I have to finish. Now, come on Harry, how are you Harry? Yeah, arm, the other, now we can fit it like this. Are you comfortable Harry?
Yeah.
Have to be tight. Now the ball. Have a piece of plastic over here. You push over here. You can play longer, shorter. Now we're gonna fit to Harry. Put over here. Can you show Harry like this? Yeah. Now we're gonna have to be more or less this high, even shorter. Yeah. If it's too long, you can cut the string. Now you can put the laces over here. That's it. Yeah, are you comfortable? Yeah? Yeah? Well, that's it. Yeah.